Hi friends, this is Bharti and today I am reporting from Longyawala Post, an amazing place where India-Pakistan war was happened, and we won the battle and lot of soldiers died during this war. But this post has been created around 180 kilometers far from Jaisalmer, and I am proud I am here, and I will take you through some of the areas where they have made this amazing places. This is something I would always say. I only regret that I have one life to lose for my country, and I strongly believe on this because I also, being an Indian, feel that one life is not enough for your country, because being an Indian, I feel always proud to work for the society, the commitment, the community. I have been working. I can give my life for it hundred of times. अपनी आज़ादी को हम हरगिज़ मिटा सकते नहीं, सर कटा सकते हैं लेकिन सर झुका सकते नहीं. Every time I have heard this, I always feel inspired, motivated, and I get goosebumps when I hear this, seriously. And let me take you through more of them. A soldier's plea. To you from failing hands we throw the torch, be yours to hold it high. If you break faith with us who die, we shall not sleep. This is something which every Indian soldier please. And गिरते हैं शहसवारी ही मैदान जंग में, तो तिफल क्या गिरेगा जो घुटनों के बल चले. Our proud soldiers who always make us proud every moment, and for those who have lost their lives, this is something which I open-heartedly salute from the bottom of my heart. No father, no mother to see them die. No brother, no sister to bid them goodbye. No friend, no sweetheart to hold them their hand, but only hope they meet in a happier land. Let me take you through this bunker, a real depicted bunker. And there were 3 to 4 bunkers which were occupied by 10 infantry soldiers and connected by a communication trench forms a section defended post, and a section occupied approx 100 meters on ground and in command by a section commander. And this bunker has been dedicated in the name of Sipahi Jagjit Singh, who fought strongly for our country and lost his life. He was also been recognized with Veer Chakra, and I am so proud to take you through this bunker and the place, the beautiful, amazing Longyawala Post. If you come here, you will feel proud to be an Indian, and as I feel, I do, I respect and I get inspired. I hope you all would be loving this, and my salute to the Indian Army. This is something which very much attracted me. When you go home, tell them of us and say that for your tomorrow, we gave our life today. And this is the real fact. We all stay safe in our places, and we should feel proud to be an Indian because our Indian Army has been working 24/7, not even taking consideration of their lives and fighting for us on the borders. And I hugely respect. You can see this T-59 tank which was destroyed by our Indian Army in 1971. And these are the warriors who lost their lives. Sipahi Jagjit Singh Ji from 23rd Punjab, Avtar Singh Ji, 20 Lancers, Harbir Singh Ji, and this clearly states here we drew a line in blood across the desert, a line the enemy dare not cross. This will blow you out. Do take out your time to come to Longiawala Post whenever you are in Rajasthan to feel the proudness of being an Indian. I salute Indian Army.